Hey guys, today we are checking out the Fastrack Reflex Vox. This is a new smartwatch launched in India for a price of $4,995. We'll have links to the watch down below. The coolest thing about this watch is that apart from the fact that it is available in multiple colors, you can swap out the bands to create a color palette of your own style. So you can have the red watch with the blue band or the blue watch with the red band. We are today checking out the blue watch as it is available out of the box. The first thing inside the box is the watch itself. In our case, we've got the blue color over here. Like I mentioned, there are several colors available and the straps are easily replaceable. And then you also get some documentation along with the proprietary charger, which is a USB cable. So the Fastrack Reflex Vox has a 1.69-inch display with a 280 by 240 pixel resolution. The body is made out of aluminium and the back cover is made out of polycarbonate, with the straps being made out of silicone. Now the watch has a square style design and has a 1.69-inch display on the front. And this display can be customized with up to 100 different watch faces, all of which can be selected from the Fastrack Reflex Watch app available on both Android as well as iOS. Now you have different sports modes on this watch as well. So anything between an indoor run and an outdoor run, swimming, even yoga is in the sports mode, so you can track all sorts of fitness activities on this watch. And you also do have 5 atmospheres of water resistance, which is typically something that you find in mainstream watches, is available on this smartwatch as well. So apart from that, you also have a 24/7 heart rate monitor, an SpO2 meter, and also sleep tracking, which will allow you to see how well you've slept and how much you've been sleeping, to make sure that you're getting adequate amounts of sleep during your week. You also do get a ton of notifications, so you can get social media notifications along with messages. And then you also get phone call notifications, and you can also dismiss the call from the watch. You cannot answer it, but you can see your missed calls and dismiss incoming calls in case you want to do that. The Fastrack Reflex Vox also has stress monitoring along with a breathe app that will help you focus up and do some meditation in the day. So along with that, you get some additional trackers as well, including a monthly cycle tracker for women. If you've been stationary too long, the watch will give you a reminder and ask you to get up and move a little bit, just so that you have a little bit of movement in your day. The watch also sports a 10-day battery life and also has Alexa built in, so you can customize the app and link it to your account and then have Alexa working as per your requirements. And this is useful if you do have other Alexa-based devices around the house and you've been using Alexa as an assistant. This can be on your watch as well. All in all, a pretty good smartwatch considering the price. Go check it out. Links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one.